When your planning is done and you're ready to order, schedule another appointment. We'll perform a final check and confirm all details to be sure your order is right. You can then order in store, online, or over the phone. Be sure you're signed up for IKEA Family, our free loyalty and rewards program, to get the best rate on your kitchen and the lowest possible delivery rates. You're going to get many boxes delivered, so get a large space ready. Just after delivery, take time to inventory. Use your order as a checklist to count all the boxes and make sure you received everything you paid for. If something is missing or appears damaged, please call IKEA within 48 hours to report it. For the smoothest possible journey, schedule and receive your kitchen at least 1 week before you're ready to install to be sure you have everything that you need to get started. Your custom countertop order will be handled start to finish by the Countertop fabricator. They'll visit your home a couple times, first to template or measure perfectly over newly installed cabinets, and then about 2 weeks later to complete the installation. Then just ask your contractor to complete the plumbing and the appliance connections.